Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope you will be fine and today our lecture is about advanced gardening techniques for high quality of yield. Friends, we started that as a farmer maximizing crop yields and minimizing cost are likely two of your top priorities. While there is no one size fit all solution to achieving these goals, there are few key strategies you can implement to help increase your chances of success. In this video, I will explore 10 tips for maximizing crop yield and minimizing cost so you can make the most of your farm and increase your profitability. The point number one is implement a comprehensive crop management plan. A well thought out crop management plan can help you optimize your farming operation and increase your yields. It should increase information about the crops you plan to grow, the soil and weather condition, and your irrigation and fertilization method. The second is use the right tools and equipments. Investing in the right tools and equipment can save your time and money in the long run. For example, using a GPS based guidance system can help you apply fertilizing and pesticide more accurately, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. The point number 3 is monitor your soil health. As a farmer, one of the most important things you can do to ensure the success and sustainability of your operation is to monitor the health of your soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of healthy and productive farm, and it is a vital to growth and development of your crops. Unfortunately, many farmers neglect the properly care for and manage their soil, which can lead to a host of problems and ultimately reduce crop yield and profitability. Healthy soil is essential for growing strong, healthy crops. Regularly testing your soil and implementing practice like cover cropping and crop rotations can help improving its fertility and structure. Next is practice precision agriculture. Precision agriculture is a farming method that uses advanced technology and data analysis to optimize crop production and reduce waste. It involves the use of GPS, sensor, drones, and other tools to collect and analyze the data about soil condition, weather pattern, and crops growth. This information is then used to make informed decision about irrigation, fertilization, pest control, and other aspects of farming result in the more efficient use of resources and higher yield. The point number 5 is choose the right seed. Choosing the right seeds can be difference between a successful and unsuccessful season. Not only due to needs, sites play a significant role in determining crop yield, but they also have a massive impact on the overall health and quality of produce. As a farmer, it is essential to take the time to carefully research and select the seeds that will best until your farmer specific need. To start, it is essential to understand that different seeds have different requirements for growth. Some seeds may thrive in particular climate and soil types, while others may struggle as much. It is crucial to consider the condition on your farm before selecting the seed. For example, if you live in the region with the hot and dry summer, you may want to choose drought resistant seed such as a corn or sunflower. Similarly, if your farm has heavy clayey soils, you may want to consider seeds that can handle wet conditions such as peas or beans. Not all seeds are created equal. Choosing high quality disease resistant seed can help improving your crop yield. The point number 6 is manage pests and diseases effectively. Pest and disease management is crucial aspect of farming and gardening, as these include can greatly impact the healthy and productivity of your crops. While it is impossible to completely eliminate pest and disease, there are many effective strategies you can use to minimize their effect on your planning. This was our topics. Hope you understand. Inshallah, we will meet in the next lecture. Goodbye.